welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Air Jordan 1 mid-top. So actually my son copped this. He has been lucky copying all this Jordan and then still see. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, so this is from End. They got their own box with their branding on there and their own sticker. I'm not sure this is a receipt, but let me open it up. There's a thank you card. Alright, so here's the descriptions. The Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid UK 7.5. Supposed to be US, but it's a white, red, and then a black, and then that's a SKU number. Quantity is 1, and a sneaker. Alright, so let's go and then take this out. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. On the top you got the Jumpman logo. Nothing on this side. Got the cutout half of the square right there. You got the Jumpman logo right here. Nothing on this side. See on the bottom. Got the Jumpman in gold. Nike ink. And then this black sticker. And again, the box is made in China. Let's go and check out the size label. So on the left hand side, got the UPC code. It's Air Jordan 1 Mid. So US size is 8.5, UK is 7.5, and it is made in China. Alright, so let's go and then open this up. Let me give you guys the UPC code right here. So the tissue paper, you got the number 23 in gold font. And then you got the red stamp right there with the number. Wow, look at that. Nice. The shoes smells good. You got the glossy Air Jordan wing logo right there. Black swoosh. Got the white midsole with the red outsole. There's your Nike swoosh logo in the midsection. And then you got the black lace. And you have the Air Jumpman right there on the top of the tongue. Let's see if I can try to take out the shoes tree. It is pretty tight fit in there. And this is a shoe tree right here. And then you have the red Jumpman in the insole. Try to zoom in real quick for you guys. And here's a size label. It is made in China. Let's go ahead and check out the other side. Yeah, this one is pretty clean. I don't see any of the defect or glue on there. The quality control is pretty good this time. Except just a little bit right there. And then this side, it doesn't have that sticker on the insole, the white sticker. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Well, anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.